Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Today's topic is how to install Python in computer. To install Python, first of all open any internet browser, then search for download Python. Open this official website of Python, that is www.python.org. Go to the downloads option and here you can see download for Windows option is given. If your operating system is Windows, then you can either choose this install manager tool or directly download the standalone installer. If you have a different operating system, then you can select the right operating system by going to this view the full list of downloads. Here I want to install Python by using this standalone installer. So let me click on this Python 3.14.5. This will start downloading Python here. Here you can see the Python is downloaded. Simply open this folder. And here you have this Python 3.14.5. To install this in the computer, simply double click on this. And here in this first screen, you have to select this add python.exe to path. This is very important. Enable this option by simply clicking on this. Then click on install now. Wait until the installation process gets completed. Here you can see the setup process is complete. Setup was successful. You can simply close this. Now if you click on the start button, then here in the search bar, search for Python. Here you can see Python 3.14 is installed. So this is all about the process of installing Python in computer. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.